All right, so this one is different than our previous three examples. Let's look at this. I hope you see straight away that I can rewrite my g of x there as x minus 3 times x plus 3. And then divide by x plus 3. Of course, I've got things that are going to cancel. But I can't forget the fact that x is not allowed to equal negative 3. So this time, this g of x simplifies into x minus 3 because we have some canceling that happens. Well, this is just a straight line, y-intercept of negative 3, slope of positive 1. So negative 3, slope of positive 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and the other way as well, down 1 over 1. Repeating, but now when I hit negative 3, I am not allowed to include negative 3. So I need a very visible open circle. Otherwise, this graph is just a line. And of course, I've got my key points. X-intercept at 3, 0. Y-intercept at 0, negative 3. And yeah, so this graph doesn't look like our other graphs because of the canceling. It canceled and made just a line, but a line with a hole in it. And you need to be really careful with this because on your calculator, you might try to look at this. So let's clear out what we had before. So up top, I've got x squared minus 9. In the bottom, I've got x plus 3. I'm going to go back to a standard window. And my calculator doesn't show the hole. That's because your calculator does not have a very precise screen. But up here, I've got this word that says table. So second graph, this is my table of values. When x is 3, y is 0, like I thought. If I move up, I can see that when x is negative 3, I've got an error. So it didn't show on the picture, but it does show on the table that I'm not allowed to divide by negative 3, or I'm not allowed to divide by 0, which happens when x is negative 3.